Do you see things we have to do in, as you call it, foreign to make the money? While you all are sleeping, I am up grinding. Oh, it looks so tasty. Oh, it looks so tasty. Oh, it looks so tasty. I just wanna eat it 'cause it looks so tasty. Yeah. What y'all think about P. Diddy Puff Daddy situation? Is it fair on the kids to be hounded like this? I have my own opinion, but what is yours? It's like I'm falling into pieces. My eyelashes is doing, my lace broke off, my hair needs washing and redoing. I'm falling to pieces.
A woman with no friends or a very small circle is a very, very secure woman. Trust me. She's learned that quality matters more than quantity. She doesn't need a crowd to validate her worth. Her confidence comes from within, not from the approval of others. She's not afraid.
Hi guys, welcome. It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. And if you're new, just join the family. I'm out. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, welcome. Happy Sunday. How does my makeup look? I'm getting ready to go out tonight. So I've got my, it's date night. I've got my hair tied down, and maybe if I have time I show you my finished look.
Can't have somebody where God done bless. Now for like my your girl obsessed. Yeah. How much time you have to go shame on no. I just stop at the top, she wanna be a level. All I wanna where you're fighting capable. Like how much time.
Hi guys, welcome. Happy Monday. We're back in another week. I hope your weekend has been fine. Oh God, I'm so tired. Last night I went out on a date night and it was like, I'm paying for it. It was so nice. Now today is Monday. My mission for today is, as you can see at the back, I'm going shopping. But I have this piece of wood I needed to cut. So I don't have a saw or anything. So I'm gonna go to the lumber yard to see if I can like ask someone to cut it for me. Let's see how that goes. If there's a kind person out there could help a sister out. Then I've got that box to return. My NutriBullet because somehow it's not functioning properly. And then I need to go to the phone shop because my personal phone that I use for daily thing, it's not charging. I don't know what the problem is. And then I have to come back home, and then later I'm going to the dentist. So this girl gonna be a busy bee today. Anyway, let me go on my journey. Oh my god, my first mission was a failure. So apparently they don't cut wood in it there. So I need to find something. I can't give up. I need these two, it's just two little piece of the wood I want. Listen me, this country, you know, if it was back home it would be no problem, but I'm on the hunt for a saw. I'm not giving up. Oh my god, what I planned today, everything was a disaster. I had to pay £20, 20 English pound to fix the charger port on my phone. For the, I don't know, I didn't even put in a wrong charger. Then I had to go and get a piece of wood, whatever they want to call it. Just because I don't have I couldn't get mine cut. Now I've got to struggle with this shopping to go out because I don't think the boys are not home. Now it's a struggle. Anyway, that's my morning. At least I got most things done. Hello. I've got a 3:50 appointment, please. Janet. Janet? Yeah. Well, I just finished the dentist and my teeth are in good condition, and so it should be, with all those flushing and brushing. I do my daily routine. Anyway, it's a long day for me today. Things are not going in my favor. First of all, we can't get to stick the wood that I bought to the ceiling, so we had to scrap that because I thought when you say Gorilla Glue it would work, but I guess not. So now I bought no more nails, but the thing is, my dad was telling me about no more nails, but let's see if this can do. If not, I think I've got to hire someone to put up this flipping roller blind. It's killing me. And you know me, if something is set in my head, I need to follow through and finish up my kitchen. But I'm walking home, so I just need to cool down myself and finish everything for the day and just calm down. So I'm going home now to relax, watch my shows, bath, eat the usual, and then see how this thing goes for tomorrow. But you know, by God's will, that blind must go up, because you can't depend on people. You know, much people let me down over this flipping blind, but you know, me and my husband, we're gonna persevere through. Although, oh God, it's pissing him off too, but you know what, we gotta get it done. And I need to hurry up and go home because I need to get my vlog finished to go out today, the vlog from last week. So let me run home. Hi guys, morning, one. Happy Tuesday. How y'all doing? You know what, if you're still watching my vlogs, thank you for the support, because you know it's very much appreciated. Anyway, yo, my mission for today is that I'm running a bit late lift is here. But, you know, as usual, I'm not the only one that snooze their alarm. But the thing is, my class was always in the afternoon, but now it's in the morning. I like the morning because my brain is fresh, but why? The body is weak. I can't wake up. Anyway, let me run, leave you, and I'll call you, see you in a minute. I made it, but I'm 11 minutes late. But you know what? I still make it. I'm tired. I just finished my class and I'm going home. But why? I have to switch my class now. I'm going back on the evening shift. Jesus Christ, there was this man in the class. I couldn't concentrate. Yo, the man is a student and a teacher. He just shouting over everybody. And guess what? I don't even feel guilty. Me now go back and that class with him. He's too annoying. And guess what? He's shouting and he's getting everything wrong. I don't know what's wrong with this man. The man, you should have seen the man. The man get up out of his chair. He's clapping. He's doing all. No, sir. This girl can't bother with it. So you know what? I'm back on the evening shift from next week. The man run feel guilty. Don't feel guilty one bit. Anyway, let me take myself home. Hi guys, it's a nice morning. Today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. I hope you're having a good time. I'm out here early. The bus stop is so empty, which is good. My bus is coming in 3 minutes, and guess what? I'm going to work on a Wednesday because we're having a big move. So you know I'm going to be tired. But I'm off Saturday, which is nice. So I can take myself out. But you know what? I'll take you along. See ya. Be a story time, guys. Why did I wake up so early, went to work to do a move, and the move was cancelled and I didn't know? It was nice to come home early, but guess what? I've got to go even earlier tomorrow to do the move. But work was nice. I don't like to get up early, but guess what? I was even late for the early shift. Tomorrow, I've got to get up at 4:03 today for 6. But I don't know. Let's see how it goes, because right now the body is tired. You know, loads of us turn up for the move. Only one person knew it was cancelled. There was so many staff, but you know what? We all got to do it tomorrow. Hi guys, it's 3:39 in the morning. Just woke up. Let me get ready for work. I'm gonna make my bed and then I'm gonna have a shower quick so that I can cool down before I leave. I'm trying to leave the house by about 4:14 or 15. I'm gonna time the bus before I leave the house because it's so scary outside. It's still dark, but I've got to make it to work by 6. But I know it's a early start, but I finish at 12:30, and that's what I'm looking forward to. So let me get ready, and I'll bring you. I don't know if I can take. I want to take my phone out. It's too early in the morning. Don't want no ones to snatch it. But let's see how it goes. So let me make this bed and get ready. I'll see y'all later. Do you see things we have to do in, how do you call it, foreign to make the money? While you all are sleeping, I am up grinding. I made it, guys. I made it before even night shift is gone home, because there's night shift stuff. But oh my god, it's so scary out there in the morning, especially when everyone took the first bus and left me by myself. I was watching every shadow that moves. But you've got to do what you've got to do, because some people have to do this every morning. But if that's me, I'd have to wake up the hubby to follow me. It's too scary. This reminds me of when my mom used to wake up so early to go to Kingston. And the first bus. No, sir, outside too dark. Too much people. It's not even too much people. The people that move so sly. Hi guys, what's going on? It's Friday. I just came in back from an early shift. So I did an early shift today again. So you go early, but you come on early. The only problem is when going early, you're so tired. Anyway, I'm tired now, but I'm trooping along because I've got my hair to pull out. And my eyelash, they're all coming up. So I'm gonna redo it and I'm gonna do a facial. So I'm using, it's called I Love My Skin. I don't know if you can see this. And it's a clay facial and it smells like cocoa butter. I've never tried it before, but it's from Primark. So I'm gonna use it, lay it on my hair, and then I go and pull out my hair. Oh my god, the move was successful, I should say, but it was so hard. It had a toll on my body, but at least it's been done. I think there's one more move that was supposed to happen today, and it didn't. They canceled that move, but I don't know when again or if I'm gonna do another early morning, because it's so scary outside so early in the morning. This feels so good on my skin. So I'm gonna leave this on. This is how it looks. It applies so well. It feels so cool. It smells like cocoa butter, which is good, and it says I love my skin. It calls I love revolution. So leave this on, and now I'm gonna take out my hair, because look, my hair is so messy. So let me go do what I've got to do. So this is how the hair looks. So let me just do my face first before I wash my hair. So this is my face. So now I'm gonna wash my hair off camera. It's itching so bad. So I'll see you when, I don't know, maybe when I'm doing it or after I've done it. I don't know. Who knows? I'm here trying to do this all by myself. The parting is not great, but it's got to do what it's got to do. Because I hate bothering people. So you know what? I've got to do it by myself, but it's 11 o'clock now. I'm gonna wrap up the back and then go to bed because I'm a bit tired, and then I'll continue tomorrow. And then you know what? I'll show you. I'm not gonna vlog how I do my hair. I've done that all the time. It's just crochet. But you know, you'll see the finished product anyway. My head is small, so you know what? It won't take me long. So I'll finish this at about 11:30, 12 o'clock. So let me continue because I'm very, very tired. As you can see, my eyes so red. So now I'm watching my vlog with some water and all my equipment and doing what I'm doing. Save a bit of coins, but see you in the morning. Morning, guys. Happy Saturday. As you can see, it's early in the morning. It's after 6 and I'm halfway in my hair. I like it. It's very demure. It's very me. I'll show you the finish. I mean, it wasn't part straight, but it's crochet, so it's gonna cover up anyway. But I like it. It's what do you call it? Bohemian hair. And I took off all my nails because guess what? It's gonna be a mindful day today. I'm gonna do them after I'm not making an appointment. I'm just gonna pop up on Susie. So, but jeez, I've been having bad hair days lately, but I think this one is given. And guess what? From start to finish, I'm so proud of myself. I did it all by myself without asking anyone, so that they get tired of me for help. I'm playing in it. It's so soft. This the hair I'm using. Oh, my finger. The hair I'm using. Let me show you. Let me show you. It's called the Premium Caniculin Fiber Crochet Baja Locks 22 inches. And it's looped. Oh, so easy. Anyway, let me go finish. I hope you're having a good day, love. So this is the finished product. And I think I did a good job too. So I like it. I do like it. I'm not even tough. So this is my boho braids, my love. I look like a boho chicy girl. Yep. And today is lovely too because I got the Saturday off. So it's Saturday prep day. good. Look. So this is it. Closer. Closer. The parting is not straight, but you know what? He's got to give. He's got to do. He's got to do. But on to the next. So now I'm off to Susie to get my nails done. Today is my day. My lashes are hanging for dear life, but you know, I'm so scared to do it. You know what? They're not too bad at least, but I'm gonna do them fresh. I'm just waiting for my friend to help me, and I'm not gonna shave my eyebrows. I'm letting them grow out so that I can do them properly. So let me go to Susie. I didn't even make an appointment. I'm just gonna pop up like a Don. And when I finish all this pampering, I might take myself on a solo date. My hubby's busy. My son, I think he's gonna do his hair, but I'm not taking him this time. The boy is too expensive. I just want to be mindful and demure all by myself. So let me see what time I finish here, then I'll trot it on to the next. For my solo day, I'm gonna wear this Zara trousers with this Machina t-shirt, and I'm gonna wear a jacket. I'm not gonna be crazy, and I'm gonna wear that trainers, and maybe I'll go for this orange bag to go with it, but orange and brown. Or I've got another bag. Let's see. Hold on. Or I might go for this bag. It's from Zara as well, so that it can tie in with the brown. But when I finish, I'll show you. And these are my nails. I do this same nails all the time because guess what? This girl don't like change. Anyway, let me go get ready. And guess what, guys? Guess what? Not because my trousers is from Zara. Look at the price. It is only $7.99, and that's a bargain. You know, this girl like to be frugal and do the thing. So this is the finishing look. And the hair, shoe, bag. want for one, please.
Table for one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. We've got space on the
Okay.
Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. Been so fussy. I've changed my order about 2 times. Let's see if I can change it again.
For rice?
Yeah,
And the some barbecue prawns, right?
yeah. Thank you. Alright, so my order's been changed. I mean, I'm by myself, but it's okay. There's people with family, but there's a man up there by himself as well. So it's fine for taking yourself out on a date. My husband is out. And my son is doing his thing. So guess who is by himself? Moi. But I'll show you my dinner when it comes. I ordered sweet and sour chicken with egg fried rice and some chili king prawn. So let's see how this one looks and how it tastes. So this is the salt and pepper king prawn. And does it taste bad at all? First course, not too bad. Let me go finish and enjoy my meal. That's my sweet and sour chicken with my egg fried rice. It's huge. I'm not gonna finish it, but I finished that. Round 2. Let me get my hair out before I eat the hair. When I finish with my dinner, and I'll tell you the review back. So far, so good. Finally, I made it to Slurp, guys. I guess Slurp means greedy. I don't know. The portions are so massive. I'm grateful, but let's see. Chill out. Please like it flat. Unlike the other day, I've got a goodie bag. So that's it. I did thoroughly enjoy my solo day and my food. The food wasn't too bad. It was alrighty. know my tummy is full to the brim. That's why I've got a big tummy.
What a fun.
I don't know what show is that, but everyone's dressed in pink. I don't know. I just finished my solo date and heading back home. I'm nearly home anyway. Anyway, my evening was so good. But guys, listen to me. Going on solo dates is fine too. I like my own company because guess what? My own company won't put me in mix up because it's me. But guess what? I like going out by myself and you're going to see plenty of this. Yes, I do have a family. In the beginning of this vlog, I went out with my husband, which is fine. He's got his life. I've got mine. The vlog before this, I went out with my son. He's got his life. He does his thing. And I've got mine. And I do it my thing. Anyway, saying this, saying that, saying this, saying that. I did enjoy myself. The food was great. It's a lot. Hence, I've got a goodie bag for my son. So you know what? I'm gonna end this vlog here. And if you reach this far, thanks for watching. And remember, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next vlog.